Picture this, it's the year 2045. You're a student walking into your first class of the day. But something's different. All the students are wearing VR headsets and the teacher is nowhere to be found. Instead, there is a robot in the front of the class with a human-like AI that interacts with the students through the headset. This isn't a science fiction movie. It could be the future of education. As artificial intelligence continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, it's only a matter of time before it replaces teachers in the classroom. Or is it? In this video, we'll explore the potential consequences of AI surpassing human educators and whether it can truly replace them. So stay tuned and let's get started. What happens when AI outshines human educators? Let's take a closer look at the scenario we just described. Imagine a classroom where AI is the primary educator. Students wear VR headsets that allow them to interact with AI-powered avatars. These avatars can tailor the learning experience to each student's needs, providing personalized instruction and feedback in real time. The benefits of this approach are numerous. AI can track a student's progress, identify areas where they need extra help, and adjust the lesson plan accordingly. It can also provide immediate feedback on assignments, allowing students to learn from their mistakes and improve their work quickly. But what happens when AI outshines human educators? As AI becomes more advanced, it can process vast amounts of data and provide insights into how each student learns best. It can track a student's progress, identify areas where they need extra help, and adjust the lesson plan accordingly. This level of personalization can lead to significant improvements in student outcomes. But as AI takes on more of the teaching responsibilities, what role will human teachers play? Will they become obsolete, or will they continue to play an important role in the education system? Can AI really replace your favorite teacher? Discover the truth. The answer is both yes and no. Yes, AI can provide a more personalized and efficient learning experience for students, but it cannot replace the human element of teaching. There are many things that AI cannot do, such as providing emotional support, fostering creativity and critical thinking, and dealing with the unique challenges that each student faces. These are all things that a good teacher can do. That's why the best approach is to use AI to augment the teaching capabilities of human educators rather than trying to replace them. By leveraging AI, teachers can focus on the more nuanced aspects of teaching while AI takes care of the more routine tasks. This will allow them to spend more time building relationships with their students and providing the emotional support they need to succeed. AI in the classroom. Are we ready for smarter tutors? As we've discussed, AI has the potential to revolutionize education. But it also poses some challenges. One of the biggest concerns is the cost of implementing AI-powered learning tools, VR headsets, and other technologies required to create immersive learning experiences can be expensive, which could create a divide between schools that have the resources to implement these tools and those that don't. Another concern is the potential for AI to exacerbate existing inequalities in education. If AI-powered tools are not designed and implemented thoughtfully, they could end up benefiting students who already have access to quality education while doing little to improve the situation for students who are struggling. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI in education are too great to ignore. By working together, educators, policymakers, and technology developers can ensure that AI is used responsibly and effectively to improve the quality of education for all students. In conclusion, AI is rapidly advancing and it is clear that it has the potential to impact the future teaching. While AI can provide many benefits to both students and teachers, it also poses some challenges. The key to harnessing the power of AI in education while mitigating its risks lies in embracing a collaborative approach. By working together, educators and AI developers can create a future where AI enhances the teaching capabilities of human educators and provides students with the best possible learning experience. What do you think? Will AI eventually replace teachers? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.